So I find that there are some common issues with reconciling. One of the basic ones that I've seen bookkeepers do is they'll reconcile a certain month and check off everything. Let's say they are using QuickBooks for that. They check off everything that has cleared the bank that is on the bank statement. However, there's sometimes remain some transactions that haven't been checked off. And you really always have to ask yourself, why aren't these checked off? If these are older, dated transactions from prior periods and they're still sitting there unreconciled, it means they didn't clear the bank. So you can't just leave them there. You really have to research those transactions before you finalize the reconciliation. It could be that they're duplicates. It could be that that maybe they never cleared. It may be an old check that somebody never actually cashed. So it's worth not just checking everything off on the reconciliation screen and verifying what's cleared. You also have to look at what has not cleared. Now, another common issue with reconciliation is you might see a client who makes a change to an already reconciled transaction, and that could be an issue as well. So you need to be able to go back and verify what they did and fix it. So sometimes your beginning balance may be off as well. So those are two of the common things I've seen. And just make sure when you finalize a reconciliation, there's no odd transactions sitting out there unresolved. You don't want older transactions sitting there uncleared. You need to research them.